Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have Excel with generative AI support and an API key or built-in copilot enabled. Once done, open a sample workbook and enable Power Query and Office scripts so automation works. Then connect Excel to the AI endpoint or add-in. This gives you prompt access inside Sheets. Make sure to scope access to only the data you need and save a backup copy so experiments don't risk production files. You craft prompts that describe inputs, show one example, and specify output format. This reduces ambiguity and improves consistency. Next, clean and normalize data with Power Query so the AI receives predictable columns and types. Then write an Office script or macro to pass rows or batches to the AI, parse responses, and write structured results back into new columns. By chaining these steps, you turn one-off queries into repeatable workflows that save time and reduce. You finish by validating AI outputs, run sample checks, use data validation rules, and compare summaries to expected totals so you catch drift early. Once validated, schedule scripts or use Power Automate to run the workflow on a cadence. If something goes wrong, reduce the batch size, clarify prompt instructions, and add stricter parsing rules. These steps isolate the problem and prevent cascading errors. Finally, keep a manual review step for edge cases until confidence is high.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.